How to set Google Voice as default for calls and messages. First of all, open the Google Voice app and sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Next, tap the menu icon at the top left corner and select Settings from the list. Under the Calls section, look for the option that says Make and Receive Calls. Tap on it and choose Prefer Wi-Fi and Mobile Data or use Google Voice only, depending on your preference. Now scroll down to the Message section and tap on Send Text Message. Select Prefer Wi-Fi and Mobile Data or use Google Voice to send message, so your text will be sent through Google Voice by default. If your device asks for permission to set Google Voice as the default calling or messaging app, make sure to grant it so the settings take effect. Once done, all your calls and messages will be handled through Google Voice, giving you the convenience of managing everything within one app. Now you know how to set Google Voice as default for calls and messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.